Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, maybe that's not as focused in as I could have it. There you go, maybe you can see a little more like that. Let's move that very confusing gold stripe out of the way. Now I can see it, okay. So this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas and this is part 2. And I have some paint colors left over in a dish. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I think I'm going to start by putting some glasses on my face. I did this with acetate cards and I'm not sure that I'm done with them. But what I really want to do is make some drips. And so I think I'm going to take another color or two that I want to see in here. And I haven't done exactly this before, so I'm a little nervous about it. But I want a lot of that white pearl. And I'm going to take my new toy. And I'm going to try and use it to apply some little bits and stripes. And see how far I can let those go. If I can encourage a couple more. It's a because I can moment, sort of like because I can, the name of my book on the Amazon link. Alright, I don't know if that was a good idea or not. But I wanted a stripe there, so I guess I got it. And no matter what I want, I've got all these paints next to me, so it's not like anybody's going to tell me I can't add a little something something where I want it to go. Oh, I can't believe that split. Alright, so I've got some drips, and they're not bad drips. I'm wondering how many drips I can get away with. And this is new to me, so I'm going to start by just attempting. I suppose I could blow them with my straw. It just looks like a tooth. I can't do that. Alright, so let's put some of my favorite, not that, my other favorite. I have lots of favorites. Oh, I have also got lots of caps that do not belong places right under my bottles. Put those over there. I'm going to grab my new color and see what happens. What did I do with that little card? There we go. I have let my paints get too close to my work area. My dog has decided he would like to be part of my recording again. And now my husband is going to chase him over here. And my dog thinks it's rabbit time. Hi. Bye. I think white is definitely something I have an intention of putting more into this. As much as I like it, I was recently talking to you guys about doing a piece for a local restaurant that I like to have shows in, and it's very dark in there. It's nice and cool in Florida, but it doesn't have a lot of lighting. I'm not sure where I'm going with any of this. I was pretty sure I wanted to play with it before I started. Let's see, what looks good with that color? I know it looks good with that color. I have a card with some roughness to the edge, which means I'm going to be making a texture every time, which is kind of cool because it scrapes right through. I wonder what that would look like. No, that's not the color I want. I think I'm going to try this, at least right here. That's not hurting my feelings any yet. I'd like to see something that's a lot more exciting than what I've got so far. I wonder if I can make that run. Looks like I can. And that's okay. This is kind of fun to play with. I'm just going to go for the gold over here. Or, in this case, the white pearl. That did not work. How interesting. So let's just find something else that might work. I gotta get these tops out of the way. That actually looks better than I thought it might. But this over here is going sideways on me, which it would, wouldn't it? It's not like everything isn't destined to go sideways on me. I am just playing, after all, to find out what's going to happen. And maybe, I don't even know if you can see all that. I know you can see this stuff is dripping that's not supposed to be. But that's okay, we're going to deal with it. Whatever it is, we're going to learn to embrace it. And because the painting's dry, if I wanted to scrape it off, I could. And I can do some. Or I can just have my way with something else entirely. And make a new area. I want a lot more yellow. Who knows, this could have a stage 3. That makes me a little happier. I'd like to do something in here. And I kind of feel like that ought to be, whoops, this, and maybe, yeah, that was kind of a bothersome area for me. I do keep photographs of them just in case I happen to change my mind about having liked the stage before. And I do like the stage before this, although that was really kind of out there. I'm going to find my purple. Am I going to find my purple? Yeah, maybe I'm not. There it is. I got it. I'm feeling frisky. Like I just want to put a bunch of colors in and see what happens. But first I'm going to get rid of all the paint on that card right there where it needs to go anyway. Right over the edge. Then I'm going to wipe that card off so I have something of a clean slate. And I'm going to think about whether I want something next to that. Right there. Need to find my zone. Well, I'm liking it a little bit more. Not so sure about the rough edge. Kind of like to have something I can rely on to be, well, actually I don't mind that right now. I changed my mind. I like that. Just going to clean off my card and use the texture it makes as I do so to add something new. It's getting a little better. I kind of want something really bright. I also want to move some of this stuff out of my way. I have a semi-clean skewer, which will sometimes work to pull things right along. I really want something there, and I'm going to risk some of this with it. I don't know what that's going to do. I still have that paint in my dish that I haven't decided to use yet. I'm just going to go for it. I think I like that magenta a lot. Not sure I like how that turned out. That's okay, because I have faith I can fix it. I'm not so sure about this over here. I kind of think I want some of that magenta. Just straight up without anything else mixed with it. I don't know if I'm getting somewhere or not. I'm kind of confused. I think some more of that pale purple might be a good thing. I'm not hating it. That's good. It's always good not to hate it. This needs something in here. I could just do all that color and be very happy. I could definitely do more of that color and be happy. Wondering what to do with that, and I'm thinking, because it's a dry canvas, I can get away with adding a zigzag, and I like that. Not sure about that. If in doubt, scrape it out. I like scraping marks. What can I say? That doesn't need to be there. I don't think that does either. That color I like. Someday I'm just going to paint a whole painting with my fingers and see what happens, because I have never done that. I can't believe I'm even saying that. So, I like that color right there. That helps me out. That makes me happy. And that will dry nice iridescent like a butterfly wing. That'll be gorgeous. As long as it stays the same thickness. It changes color. It's definitely a color changing. And I believe it's an Art Minds. So let's go back and find the white. I got 2.5 minutes left. Let's find the white metallic and see if I can fix some of these things that are bugging me a little bit. I got right plaid over here. It's like totally plaid. Very tempted to just go ahead and add whatever I want wherever I want, and it's getting kind of cool, and I think if I kept going it probably would just keep improving. I say that hopefully as a potential powerful manifester of good things. I like that, and I think I want more of that. I don't want to use a ton of it. I'm going to try and mix it with that other purple. And because I really like this magenta, no, I said I was doing better and then I don't like it, and hopefully it'll come back to something I do like in a minute. I have altogether too many squares. Turn the card sideways to the line of paint, and use the line of paint you pick up to pounce a little texture. Because it's fun. And because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, which I have not been talking about lately, and I could use a few sales. It's the first 100 videos from YouTube, and the processes. And I said the tools. Did I say the tools? I'm not sure if I said the tools or not. Anyway, there are some good things about this, and I'm not giving up by any stretch. So I'm just going to come back in there and do that. And that. And that takes a slightly light touch for sure. Well, there. That's 2 minutes, and I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with this. And I'm not really done, and it needs some help. Come on, out you come. Let's say like nothing, a massive dose of this iridescent purple won't cure. And you think I'm kidding, but I'm not. Maybe some more gold. Maybe we'll try some of the, I like that. It's nice when the canvas is dry and you can just wipe off what you don't like. I do really enjoy that. Push that right over the edge. That's a little better. The gold mica powder is on the Amazon link, where if you shop below the video you can help me out at no added cost to you and find some really cool stuff. So I'm not sure how much longer I have to talk to you guys, but if you give me a thumbs up, it helps the YouTube algorithm know that you would like to help me get better placement for my videos on YouTube, and the same thing goes for my playlist. If you watch more of my videos, there's a playlist on the end screens where there's over 600 videos, and the longer you watch them, the better the algorithm likes me and puts my videos where more people can find them, and that's down to you, and you guys have been very helpful lately, and I want to say thank you very much, and for all the contributions. And this is actually pretty cool, but I'm not sure it's done yet, so that's my last minute, and after that I know you guys will be gone. And I want that's okay. I like that. I'd like to fix this so it'll be done when you see it the next time. I'm not sure that's possible. So I love you guys. There's over 67,000 of you, and I hope you come again. Look for the paint pouring recipe underneath the video, or you can ask me any questions you need to. I prefer it if you actually watch the video and answer them yourself first. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I love you guys.